There's something very uncomfortable. Tayo mga Pilipino, isa sa mga bagay na ayaw nating pinag-uusapan ay ang death, critical illness, accident, disability. Napansin ko yan kasi kahit kami mga insurance advisor, pag yun na yung topic ng discussion namin with our clients, we feel awkward kasi parang feeling namin baka ma-offend namin yung clients namin or yung kausap namin. Gets ko naman kung saan nanggagaling yun. Pero the question is, kapag ba hindi natin pinag-usapan, mawawala na ba yung possibility? Hindi naman, di ba? Kasi ang totoo, may mga bagay sa buhay natin na wala naman talaga tayong control. Tatanda tayo, pwede tayong magkasakit. At balang araw, lahat tayo mawawala. Hindi ito pagiging negative, it's simply reality. At ang maganda sa reality, habang alam mo pa, habang may pagkakataon ka pa, kaya mong paghandaan. Kaya next time na pag-usapan ang life insurance or critical illness or death, accident or disability with your advisor, don't feel uncomfortable. It's not like we're expecting for the worst. It's about making sure that if life doesn't go according to our plan, ikaw at ang family mo may plano pa din. Sabi nga nila, tomorrow is never promised. Hindi natin alam kung anong pwede mangyari bukas. Pero one thing is for sure, pwede tayong mag-prepare. And for me, it's not being pessimistic. It's about being responsible and it's about being prepared.